Here's pages 3 and 4, or the second piece of paper, front and back, as I like to call it, of the summer homework. Problem number 1 is 5 plus negative 3. Pretty basic addition of integers, but we're using the slide rule just to get this mental math idea down. Basically, we're going to start at 5, and then we are going to move negative 3 spaces. So there's our starting at 5, and there's our moving negative 3 spaces, or 3 spaces to the left, and our answer then is 2. Your marks on the slide rule don't have to be exactly like mine. I just like to make little frog hops because it makes me happy. So negative 5, take away 3 more. Negative 5, take away 3 more is negative 8. Negative 5, adding 3 to it is negative 2. 5 minus negative 3 is the same thing. Minus a negative is equivalent to plus a positive. 5 plus 3. So we start at 5 plus 3, and that gives us 8. You notice I whoopsed over here. I started at negative 5 by mistake. Negative 5 plus 3, which is what this one's supposed to be, starts at negative 5, moves plus 3 spaces to negative 2. And negative 5 minus 3. A minus b is equivalent to a plus a negative b. So this would be like negative 5 plus negative 3. And negative 5 adding negative 3 to it gives us negative 8. Okay, so some practice problems. Negative 4 plus 6 is 2. 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2. Negative 4 plus negative 6 is negative 10. Negative 4, take away 6 more is negative 10. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. 4 minus negative 6 is 10. And negative 4 minus negative 6 is 2. Positive times a positive is positive. Positive times a negative is negative. Negative times a negative is, whoops. Hold on. That should say positive. There we go. Okay. So 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Negative 4 times negative 6, once again, is positive 24. At least I did that part right. Okay, so that was the front side of the second piece of paper, or page 3, however you want to think about it. With this next group of problems, we are just rewriting verbal expressions as algebraic expressions and then simplifying. So 20 degrees dropping 30 degrees overnight would be a negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit. If you owe $60 and you have another bill for $40, that means you owe $100. Okay, Susan Foster, thanks for that. You owe the library $2 every day for 7 days. So that's owing $2 times 7 means you owe them 14 bucks. Here's a little fill in the blank. A term is a number, a variable, or the product or quotient of numbers and variables. Like terms are terms that contain the same variables, with corresponding variables having the same powers. The distributive property and properties of equalities can be used to simplify expressions. An expression is in simplest form if it is replaced by an equivalent expression with no like terms or parentheses. So here we have simplest form, and here we have simplest form when we are combining like terms. So our simplest form of these 4 expressions are 3x minus 5, 3x squared plus 5x, 3x squared minus 3x plus 8, 13x squared minus 3x minus 2. So these are all the simplest form of these expressions. These are just some little reminders. X times x squared equals x cubed. X plus x squared is simplest form. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. And x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. That's confusing basic stuff. Okay, so what was that? Did I do 2? I think I did. All right. Take it easy. Bye.